Hello, I'm Kate Tichina on InstaForex TV with the fresh Forex news. Analysts who make forecasts started to assess more optimistically the perspectives of the economic expansion and employment, continuing to expect that the inflation will be low. The report of the Federal Reserve Bank of Philadelphia testifies about this. This report usually provokes observers' interest. The report of the FRS of Philadelphia in the second quarter was more encouraging compared to the previous quarter. 3 months ago, the economists were expecting that the US GDP will grow by 3% in 2010 and by 2.9% in 2011. Now they forecast that the GDP will increase by 3.3% and by 3.1% correspondingly. The forecast for the GDP in the second and third quarters was advanced to the growth by 3.3% in both quarters. The economists decreased their assessment of the probable resumption of the recession. It is said in the report that they revised downwards the probability of the reduction of the real GDP during any of next 4 quarters. The improvement of the economic expansion's perspectives leads to the upturn of the employment outlooks. However, even in this case, the economists expect that the difficulties will remain during next years. According to the forecast, the average level of the unemployment in 2010 will stand at 9.6% and after will drop to 8.9% in 2011, to 8% in 2010 and to 7.1% in 2012. This annual average forecasts present the improvement compared to the forecast published in previous quarter. It is expected that the unemployment rate in the second quarter will be 9.8% and then will fall to 9.6% and to 9.5% in the third and fourth quarters, respectively. It is forecasted that the average monthly advance of jobs will be 207,000 in the second quarter and then it will slow down to 121,000 in the third quarter. This year it is expected that the monthly decrease of working places will be 38,000, though it is predicted that in 2011 the average monthly growth of jobs will stand at 184,000. The relatively moderate rates of employment and remaining high jobless level mean that the Federal Reserve System will face with a minimal price pressure. This points to the fact that the central bank will not meet with the considerable upward pressure of the interest rates. It is anticipated that the average annual level of the core price inflation of private consumption expenditures will be 1.2% in 2010, 1.6% in 2011 and 1.85% in 2012. The assessments published in the second quarter were much lower than the forecast presented in the first quarter. The total inflation, which is measured by the General Consumer Price Index, as it is expected, also will be moderate. According to the forecast, the average inflation rate will be 1.6% in 2010, 2% in 2011 and 2.4% in 2012. These forecasts are based on the results of the 44 economists polling of the private sector. Some members of the financial market perceive this report as the guideline which gives an idea about the forecasts which will be made by the FRS. The central bank, under the chairmanship of Ben Bernanke, increased the importance of the forecasts and advanced the level of their disclosure with the hope that the provision of markets with this data will help investors to understand better the future line of the monetary policy. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team and me, Kate Tichina. Goodbye.